Are you a port worker, visitor or contractor? Dublin Port Company has introduced a new standard for safety and security training called the Dublin Port Pass. The Dublin Port Pass has been designed as part of Dublin Port Company's commitment to safety and forms an integral part of our Safe Port initiative. All port users must successfully complete a two-step safety and security process to access the common user areas in Dublin Port. Step 1. Successfully complete a Dublin Port Pass induction course. Step 2. Apply for an access control card. You can complete your Dublin Port Pass induction by logging on to dublinport.ie/Dublin Port Pass and clicking Register Now. Next, read both options and select what best applies to you. For example, if you require access to number 2 Branch Road South for Ocean Pier and Alexandra Quay East, select Dublin Port Company. But if you require regular access to number 3 and 4 Branch Road South to DSG operations, select Doyle Shipping Group. Then complete the registration by entering your details. Verify your identity with a photo capture from a camera-enabled device. Watch the Dublin Port Pass induction video to learn about the environmental, health, safety and security risks and requirements when operating within Dublin Port. Answer a set of multiple-choice questions. Please note, some questions are mandatory and must be answered correctly to pass. You must also achieve a minimum overall score of 80% to pass. All port users will be required to retake the Dublin Port Pass induction every 4 years. On successful completion of Step 1, port users are eligible to proceed to Step 2 and apply for an access control card. It is now a mandatory requirement to hold an access control card to gain entry to the common user areas in Dublin Port. Existing card holders will have their access updated automatically following successful completion of the Dublin Port Pass induction course. New card applicants must apply for an access control card for the area they need to enter by logging on to dublinport.ie/Dublin Port Pass and clicking Apply Now. Then select the area in Dublin Port you need to access. This is an important step as your application will need to be sent to the relevant company. For example, Dublin Port Company manages access to number 1 and 2 Branch Road South, whereas Doyle Shipping Group manages access into number 3 and 4 Branch Road South to the Alexandra Quay Container Terminal. Complete the access control card application form and upload a digital ID photograph, making sure to follow the guidelines. Finally, check all your details are correct and submit your application. This will be automatically sent to the relevant company and you will be notified by email when your card is ready for collection. You can collect your access control card by presenting valid photographic ID in the form of a valid passport or Irish or EU driver's licence. Remember, no Dublin Port Pass, no entry, no exceptions. Your support is important for a safe, secure and healthy work environment for all.